you're a hiker who wants to learn how to get fit, strong, and resilient for your time on the trail, this video is for you. Now, today I have officially launched my brand new course, the Training for Hiking Do-It-Yourself course, which is going to be a fantastic resource for any hiker who's wanting some direction on how to put together their own training for the trail. Now, when it comes down to it, what I do all day, every day, is I help hikers get fit and strong for their adventures. And I know that following a structured and specific training plan can be one of the best things a hiker can do to help their time on the trail, to help them get up and down hills, to help them carry a pack, to help improve their speed, reduce fatigue, help them feel more confident on unstable terrain, and a bunch of other things. And I know that following a proper training program can be absolutely phenomenal because I do this all day, every day. It is literally my full-time job, and we help so many hikers every year through our online personal training programs. However, when it comes down to it, I also know that not everyone out there who comes across our stuff and comes across our ideas and our training really may need our full coaching services, because when it comes down to it, our paid for programs, there is a lot of support. It is an investment, and a lot of people out there may not particularly need this. Either they'll be in the situation where they're just looking for a bit of direction. They don't really need a coach. They don't really need a personalized program, but they just want to figure things out for themselves. Or alternatively, maybe financially, our full packages just may not be super realistic right now. And either situation is absolutely fair enough. So over the years, so many hikers have asked us, hey, is there anything we can buy from you? Is there anything that we can get which is just a little bit more hands-off, that is just informational, that give us some ideas around our training, and again, is a little bit more cost-effective so anyone can get access to it? And that is what this course is all about. So the Summit Strengths Do-It-Yourself Training for Hiking course is an online course designed to teach a hiker how to create their own strength and conditioning program for their hiking. Now, so you can ultimately access all the amazing benefits that training for hiking can bring to your hiking, and that I know are available and I've seen through so many hikers, but in a way which is cost effective and also self-paced. So you can do this at your own speed, you can do this at your own pace, and just put it into action when you want. So you might be asking yourself, okay, Rowan, cool, that sounds all right, but what's this actually cover? What's it all about? Well, we have a bunch of different modules in this course covering things like strength training, cardio, hiking, and this and that. And I want to cover through a few points of what is included. Number one, we will give you clear instructions around how to plan your training hikes. Now, this in itself, so many hikers, when they're looking at training, they just put no thought and attention into actually what they're doing on the trail. And this leaves a lot of hikers to being either underprepared or just doing too much too soon. And I see it all the time. So we'll give you clear instructions on this to help ensure a successful build-up, no matter what your schedule may be. Now, we'll also give you a recipe list for great cardio workouts for hikers and give you a range of different options which you can do outdoors, at home, or in the gym to help support your hiking, to build your fitness, to build your cardiovascular tolerance so you can feel more comfortable. And we'll also give you a plug and play system on how to create effective strength workouts for your hiking. So you can create your own strength workouts to help build up your strength, build up your endurance, and create them in a way that's going to fit around your life and your preferences and give you the power to do that. Now, we'll also give you simple directions on how to adjust your training if you are preparing for a big trip, or if you're just a hiker who doesn't have a particularly big trip in your sights, but you just want to be fit and ready for any trail that may come across, because there are differences in regards to your approach there. And we'll also give you time-efficient strategies on how to aid the body's recovery in between sessions and in between hikes to make sure you are feeling fresh. And finally, we'll give you some valuable insights on how to stay consistent with your training over the long term. So, that's a few of the inclusions around what's involved. So you may be asking now, how does it all work? Well, it's very, very simple. If you do get involved, number one, you'll go through the course materials. Now, the course is all delivered via video lessons. You'll get access to our education hub where everything is hosted, and you can work through the lessons, work through the structure as necessary. Now, the lessons will cover topics like training principles and philosophies, strength training, hiking specific conditioning, hiking programming, recovery, organization and planning, and then ultimately, once you've got all that information, how to actually put it together into a training plan. So step number one, you'll work through all the information. Now, step number 2, you'll put together your plan. So once you've got the information, then you'll take all of that and actually put it into a physical plan. Now, we will provide you clear instructions on how to do this, and you'll simply just copy and paste what workouts and exercises that you want to do into our structured templates. This will allow you to get the best benefits from our expertise in regards to training and structure and all of that, but give you the flexibility to plan your training around your preferences, your need, your time, your availability, your equipment access, and all of that. Now, this process is going to be so simple that it should be doable by pretty much anyone, regardless of training knowledge or experience. Whether you're a first-time trainer or you've been in the gym for years and years and years, this should be fine for everyone. And then finally, the last step of this is once your plan is completed, you will have to put this into action and go out and complete the sessions and tick them off and reap the rewards. Now, at this stage, in all honesty, it's not covered by us because this isn't a coaching program. We're not going to be with you here, but you just need to go out and put this information into action so you can see the best benefits from all of this. Now, if you do need help through the process, if you have questions that pop up or whatever it may be, we actually have a community group which is attached to this course where we can answer questions and you can get motivation from the group as well. So you won't be just completely left to your own devices, you will have that group for support if needed. Now, if you want to get involved, if this sounds like something you want to learn a little bit more about and potentially sign up, then all you need to do is go to summitstrength.com.au/do-it-yourself. And I'll leave a link down below this video. You can read through a bit more information, check it out, and you can sign up if you are interested. Now, one final thing is I will say this week we are launching this course. It is brand new. It is coming out fresh, completely new. And to celebrate our launch week, we are offering a 40% discount on the usual price, purely for this week only. So if you're interested, if you want to get involved, take advantage of that, sign up, get into it, because it's the only time we're ever going to be offering a 40% discount. It's never going to be this cheap again. So if you're interested, get involved and check it out. But with that being said, I really do think this is going to be an awesome resource for so many hikers out there. So if you're ever interested in just upgrading your knowledge around training for hiking, this is for you. Make it happen, and I really do think you'll get some great value out of it.